everyone, and welcome back to yet another DG Guru's video series. And in this series of mine, I would be covering all the aspects of Facebook advertisement. So, as you can see on my screen, this is one of the sample page that I've created in order to let people understand like how the layout looks like, and these are the statistics which have came in front of me. So probably if you're opening the Facebook ads for the first time, so the interface may be a little different, right? So if you are in this interface, then you need to go to your campaign section so that you can just have a look on what are campaigns you have made. And if you are making it for the first time, so you need to click on this green button, which is called as like create campaign. So in front of you there might be two options which is coming like select guided creation and select quick creation. So it's my advice not to select the quick creation, because in this not much of the options are available in terms of customizing the advertisement and making it better. So we need to first select this select guided creation, and we click on it. Once I've clicked on it, so in front of me the first thing which is coming is I need to select the objective, like why I am trying to create the advertisement. So like if you're creating the advertisement for the first time for a brand, I would always suggest you to go with brand awareness and reach, right? The difference between brand awareness and reach advertisement is that in brand awareness we basically try to increase the awareness of our brand, where if people are not aware why do we exist and what are all the stuffs, so that helps us in letting people know the brand awareness. In terms of reach, probably you have already made your existence in the market, and now you're planning to penetrate into new segment of the society or of the market, or you're trying to cater to the new people which were earlier not your customers. So in that scenario, I would suggest you to use the reach option. Next option is the traffic. So traffic is generally if you need to divert the traffic towards your website, or as it is Facebook, so you can divert the traffic towards a Facebook page or stuff like that. So for that you can use this traffic. When your main motive of ad creation is more of engagement, where you want people to be highly engaged with your content, that might increase the kind of ROI in terms of like either lead generation or product sale or anything. So I'd always suggest you go for the engagement part. This I can see as it is app installs, means if you're having your own application, you can increase the app installations by linking ads towards the Play Store, right? Or video views, same as it is like either you're having a videos on your Facebook page, you want to increase the views of a video, so you can opt for this video views, right? Lead generation and messages as it goes same. So in lead generation, like it's as its name is very clear, as we can see that we need to create the leads out there. So it's lead generation, and messages means where you want people to be engaged on the messenger. So this was a very brief introductions of the small interface of Facebook and the different kind of advertisements. In the upcoming videos, I would be making the ads on each one of the options one by one, so that if you're creating any kind of advertisement, you can just follow my videos and you can very easily make any kind of advertisements on Facebook. So stay tuned for the next part of my video of this, where I would be covering one by one all the different kinds of advertisements. Thank you.